Hello friends, Danny here from Danny's Dreams. Today I'm just stopping by to share a little bit more information on my new series that's starting March 1st, 2022, Color March Happy. The reason why I'm doing this new series is basically just for me. There's not a prize or anything like that. I just wanted to do what I love, and I love coloring. If you want to join me, I'd love to see it. Just use the hashtag ColorMarchHappy2022 here on YouTube or Instagram, and I will try my hardest to take a look at it. Use any medium, any style, just color. A quick search gave me the reasons why coloring is good for you. It relaxes your brain and improves your brain function, induces meditative state, improves motor skills, improves sleep, improves focus, reduces anxiety, and relieves stress. I have included cards that I love that I colored from 2013 to 2022. All different kinds of images and stuff. I just love to color. If you're looking for a good, encouraging group, the Kitten Clouder Facebook group has lots of coloring tips. There's also classes offered. I've taken several classes there, and they're very, very well done. Also, occasionally there's the Daily Marker 30-Day Coloring Challenge. That's always a good one. And the Kathy Rascoon, I think I'm probably saying her name wrong. She has an online the Coloring Challenge road trip class that I took. That was really, really, really good for me. It's not everyone's style, but that's it. I've linked everything below. I'm excited for March to start so I can start sharing my coloring. Until then, have fun getting crafty and enjoy watching some of my favorite cards. I'll put on some music. Have a great day until my next video.